Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jazzy. For those of you who don't know, for those of you who do know, welcome back to my channel. And today what we're going to be doing is rating all of my fidgets. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up and hit that bell button so you never miss. Yeah. Okay. Alright, the first fidgets we're going to start off with is this rainbow owl fidget. This is orange. Here's the bad side. The good side. I rate this a 9 out of 10 because if you don't pop it good, then the pops would stay like that. They wouldn't go all the way down. Next poppet is this poppet. This is an ice cream poppet. Bad side, good side. I rate this a 10 out of 10. This is one of my favorite poppets. Next poppet is this unicorn poppet. This is also one of my favorite poppets. The last big poppet coming up is also one of my favorite poppets. This one is so good and it has great pops. This was at Walgreens not a long time ago, but kind of a long time ago. And then I got this one at Five Below. This one's kind of like the owl one, but it has better pops. Because if you don't pop it hard enough, then the bubbles will pop back up. I rate this a 10 out of 10. Oh yeah, I didn't rate these. I rate these both a 10 out of 10. Next, I have some more poppets. I have these two. I'm going to be rating those two the same. I have these two. I'm also going to be rating those two the same. Oh, I forgot a poppet. And that poppet. And then I'm also going to be rating all of my fidget spinner poppets. I have a lot of poppets. Okay. Let me take this off real quick. Sorry. Okay. The next biggest poppet is this one. This one is alright, but I like to do it when I'm holding it. I'm not putting it on the table because this one, when you put it on the table, the bubbles do not pop down all the way on the bad side. This one has an okay pop. I'll give this a 5 out of 10. Next poppet are these two. These two kind of have the same pop. 10 out of 10. I rate this an 8 out of 10 because this one has a way better pop. Now this one, bad side, good side, bad side, good side. I rate these a 10 out of 10 because I can put them on my backpack or my keys and they come in doubles. Next are the fidget spinners. Hold on. Let me undo. I got this one. I got these two in a pack, and I got this one at Denny's in a claw machine. But yeah, time to rate this one first. I like this one because these pops are really satisfying to pop, and it has a good spin. Next is this poppet from Denny's. I don't really like this one because if you don't pop it hard enough, then it's going to go down. So I'm not even going to rate this. I'm going to rate this -0. -1. -1. Sorry. This one, I rate this one a 10 out of 10 because I love the pops. Even though they're not that loud, I still love how it spins. So those are all my poppets, I think. Now, let me get out everything else. First, next I'm going to do my infinity cube. I really like this one. I used to play with this all the time. I rate this a 10 out of 10. Next is the wacky track. I have a blue one, but it's under my bed. I rate this a 10 out of 10 as well. Next, I have a pop tube. Okay. Let's make this even more satisfying, everybody. See this? See this? That was a good pop. I rate this a 10 out of 10. But I do not recommend if somebody is sleeping at your house. Next, we have a bike chain. These are not even, I mean, these are fun to play with. I just don't really play with these a lot. So I'm going to give this a 5 out of 10. These things I have 5 of these, but most of them broke. So I rate this a 10 out of 10 because it is really fun to play with. I honestly thought these were going to be really boring, but they're not. Now, monkey noodles, making all of those out. These are only monkey noodles I have. 3 monkey noodles. These are not really that fun, so I'll give these a 3 out of 10. Next, marble mesh. I did have the third one, but that broke. So here are my 2 marble meshes. I give these a 10 out of 10 because they're really fun. Now I have mochis. 3 mochis. These are not really fidgets, they're just things to have, so I'm not even going to rate them because they're not even fidgets. That's all my fidgets except for these 2. Snakes. I like these because they're just like the wacky tracks. So I'll give these 10 out of 10. Both of them. Now I have 4 slimes that I'm going to do. I put clay in this one yesterday. If you didn't see my video on that, go watch it. Here's the blue one. This turned out really nice. I love how it stretches and I love how it looks. And it does not smell like cottage cheese anymore. It just smells like clay. So I'll rate this one a 10 out of 10. Here is the white one. This one, I don't know why that is so hard to stretch. It's probably because I've been playing with this one a lot. I rate this one a 5 because this stinks like cottage cheese and it's not even that good. It's not as good as the blue one. Alright, next one. Next we have kinetic sand. Kinetic sand. This came in the pack that I got from Dollar General. If you didn't see that video yesterday, go watch it. I was going to make this video yesterday, but I didn't. But this is just satisfying to watch it all go down. But I rate this a 10 out of 10 because it's easy to clean up and it doesn't stick to your hands or turn them purple. Okay. Down to my last fidget. This is the best. This is a slime that looks like kinetic sand. I just love this slime so much. It's the best slime that I've ever had. See, because it looks like kinetic sand. Look, put it on, mix it up. Like right when you do it like that, but like when you're stretching it and then put it down, it looks like kinetic sand is going everywhere. And this is easy to pick up and it doesn't stick to your hands. I'll give it an 11 out of 10 because it's just the best. and it's super stretchy. And it's not even sticky. I'll put it on my shirt. Rub it under. No sticks. And it is easy to clean up. That's all my fidgets. But now, I have fidgets everywhere. Got fidgets over here. And then fidgets over here. So I need to reorganize. Not reorganize, just put them all back where they need to go. Up here. First we're just going to do those ones. Alright. So the pop tube and everything else on that side goes at the top. We'll have these. I just put these in a ball. And I throw them in the small compartment. Marble mesh goes by the pop tube, bike chains, whatever this gold thing is, and the mochis go in the small pocket. Infinite cube goes on the side, and then the wacky trap goes there. And monkey noodles just go right in the middle. Now we got slime. I do not have enough room at the bottom, so 2 of them go at the top, and 2 go at the bottom. And then these 2 go right at the top. Now time for all of the chocolates. I just stack these up. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Let's see if that can close. Okay. After I put that one, this one goes right next to it because I don't have room. Then we put the 2 slimes in the middle. In the middle of both of them. Then we have the fidget spinners. Those go in the middle. Then actually these just go on the top of the cupcake fidget. And then the mini pockets. And yeah, that's me rating on my fidgets. I hope you enjoyed and come back for the next video.